Hi, Kanesan. Today is a three-colored flower bracelet. 3色のお花の腕輪を作ります。さあ、早速いってみましょう。Let's go! I change the color. 色を変えましょう。Baby pink and rose and yellow. Yellow 160G or 260G, it's no problem. I already inflated balloon. もう膨らませます。じゃあ早速いってみましょう。ちょっとちっちゃくして色を変えます。とってもちっちゃいバブル。Small bubble and back one petals two same size but same size two three make three petal 花びらを3つ作ります。はい、one two three and please cut and single hand tie same rows one small bubble put in and two and three and cut こういうの同じものを2つ作ります。シングルハンドタイ片手結び and this one and くっつけるね。プーリン引っ張ってグーッと引っ張ってone two one block ね and please to read one rose baby pink rose 交互に rose and baby pink and next 160G or 260G Please make small pinchy twist. And back side. Torite. And one more pinchy twist. Push your thumb and pulling and finally opposite side Read. It's so cute. Cute bracelet. So cute and easy. Please make different colors variation. Orange and yellow and lilac and ivory and rose. Please, let's make. See you again. Bye bye. じゃあねー。